Okay, I'm going to make Christmas stickers. I'm gonna pull up the ones that I have saved, my projects. Here they are. And I'm gonna customize it because I want to add more names. Now I'm just gonna use whatever text is up. To I have to shrink it down a little bit. It's kind of big. And now we just take the cursor, put over it, and we flatten it. And we're gonna go to print and cut. Thanks for watching how to make your Christmas gift tags. Bye-bye.